It's like throwing yourself into a pool and you don't know how to swim.
Anywhere. So just kind of be consistent. Try to just keep going and not quitting in between. I feel a lot of people ज़्यादा time attraction नहीं आता छोड़ देते हैं. But try to just be consistent. You will get there 50K
But
easy.
it is true कि even though you are staying consistent, काफ़ी बार it becomes demotivating. So what is your mindset at that time?
It does become demotivating, but it's the path you have chosen right at the end. And I feel you have just been. It's like throwing yourself into a pool and you don't know how to swim. Now you have to just swim back to the shore. It's like that. So अपने आप को बस
Keep
put
swimming.
put yourself in these situations where you have to have to do it. Like there's no going back वैसा. अगर if you guys have a plan B or something, हाँ ये कर लूँगा अगर ये नहीं चला, then it's not gonna work out, right? You have to just throw yourself in such situations where you won't have anything for a backup, right? So it's like that. तो अगर अभी 50K hit करना है तो करना पड़ेगा. And that time I didn't have that option, right? So I didn't.
But you were also in college, so
Yeah, I was in college, but it was like I had thrown myself into this ना कि I have to do it now. Like वैसा है. I cannot go back. Like it'll just be a loser tag to yourself the entire life. Like you try to do something and you didn't end up doing it, right? So वैसा है. But
so अभी भी ऐसा moments आते हैं जब आपको लगता है कि यार it's not working out or what
Every
am I
day.
doing?
every day.